Project Aura. This is a smartphone with a metal frame, a display, a keyboard, and additional battery modules. Each user can add any modules depending on the preferences he or she wants to use. The developer offers standard devices such as camera, speaker, night vision cameras with various medical devices. We couldn't find out its price because it's still being developed. Unlikely, I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane, making pleasure out of pain. Cut S60. This manufacturer says this is the first world smartphone with a built-in thermovision camera. This device can allow you to detect heat, leakage in room and overheating areas of electrical wiring. Number 2, they measure the temperature of various objects and even see in the dark and through smoke. Thermovision camera has a range of up to 100 feet. It can take a video and photo. Its other cool feature is its resistance. With a hardcore cast metal frame and protective glass, the phone can withstand a fall of up to 7 feet. This is also waterproof. For an hour, you can leave it at the depth of 16 feet and nothing will happen to it. It goes for $600. And it's only a percent. I'm gonna take shots. If I miss all, forget it. I'll take a fat loss just to learn all that's in it. I'm taking snapshots, learning how to fall and get it. I'm getting back up, always stand tall, don't sweat it. I never flip phone. I don't miss a thing or regret it. I'm always with 3 screens. You can use this phone perfectly with different applications at the same time. User can watch one program or 3 displays at once, or launch different applications on each screen. The creator says this unusual design allows this phone to be a convenient book. You can view photos, videos, or use it as an alarm clock desktop, or use the smartphone as a book by unfolding it and use one of the screens as a keyboard for convenient typing. The 3 screens are used for one working with files, images, graphics, and text editors. A special glass protects the screen, while the case is made by aluminum. It costs $109.99. Jelly. This device was created for those who appreciate compact devices. The creator claims this is the smallest 4G smartphone in the world. The screen diagonally is only 2.45 inches. Since it's difficult to watch movies or play games in the device, it features a code called 1.1 GHz processor. It also comes with gigabytes of RAM, built-in 8GB drive. To expand the capacity, 8 megapixels main and 2 megapixels front camera, GPS, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth, suitable for second phone for calls and texts. It costs $70. This ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. SCIO inside. Equipped with a molecular sensor that scans objects and identifies their main characteristics like the made materials, taste,
measures the fat level and identifies forgery like precious metals or medicine. It also has an 8-core processor, a 6-inch Full HD display, a powerful battery, and 16 megapixels camera. It goes for $400.
Something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go. Make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several days.
LUMIGON T3. This gadget has a 4 megapixels camera with 2 infrared LEDs, which allow you to take pictures even in total darkness. LUMIGON T3 has a special action key which you can use to program the launch of a specific function or application. This device can be used as a universal control panel for household appliances. The body of LUMIGON T3 is made of a stainless steel and fiberglass which protects it from moisture and dust. It's waterproof also. It costs $923.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even
SONY EXPERIA XZ1. Despite it being small, it is as well very powerful. The main feature of this device is the 19 megapixels camera and built-in memory chip that stores huge amount of data. This allows it to shoot slow motion videos at a rate of 960 frames per second. This device also makes great recordings with a clear sound even in the noisy areas or places, like concerts. It also comes with a 3D creator app that works with the camera to scan faces and objects to create 3D pictures and videos to share on the social media, or even print them in a 3D printer. It goes for $650.
To fight, to die on, and this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name. Oh, and I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night. Oh, and we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it, how you gonna move for it, what you gonna be, and do you believe you can do anything, but what you gonna do for it, how you gonna move for it, what you gonna be. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, no, this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits some losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift. Oh, I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in